Tonight, by candlelight, we make Samgyeopsal. 3 layers of fat, 3 layers of flesh, pork belly, sliced thick, laid across an iron plate, sloped just so. The Korean grill table is not really a meal. It is a small ceremony. Quiet, generous, slow. Friends gather, charcoal glows. The plate begins to whisper, and in the hush, the night settles into something tender and unhurried. Samgyeopsal means 3-layer flesh. For most of Korean history, it was peasant food, humble, fatty, beloved. In the 1970s, restaurants in Seoul made it a ritual. Workers gathered after long shifts. Soju was poured. The plate was set glowing at the center of the table. By the 1990s, Samgyeopsal had become the most beloved meal in Korea, a quiet weekly church of grease, garlic, and friendship. There is no cooking at the stove. There is only the table. The grill plate, sloped at one edge, catches the fat and lets it run away. The cook is also the diner. Each bite is built and folded in the hand. Lettuce, perilla leaf, a glistening slice of belly, a sliver of raw garlic, a dab of samjang. The whole package, a parcel called ssam, sent home in a single, generous bite. Let us begin with the belly. Choose the slab thick, at least half an inch, cold from the refrigerator. Cut crosswise into wide strips, the length of a hand. Skin on or off, as you wish. Look for streaks of fat and flesh laid in clean ribbons. No marinade, no seasoning. The belly speaks plainly here. It needs only heat and time. Beside the belly lay the leaves, crisp red leaf lettuce, tender butter lettuce, perilla-and-lettuce, the broad green leaf with the serrated edge, half mint, half anise, faintly bitter. The perilla is the soul of the wrap. It catches the grease, it cools the spice. Without it, the bite is louder. With it, the bite becomes a sigh. Now the small dishes. Banchan. Whole cloves of raw garlic sliced into thin coins. Fresh green chilies, fierce and bright. A small bowl of sesame oil, salted with flaky salt and crushed black pepper, and samjang, the deep, dark dipping paste, gochujang and doenjang, stirred together with garlic, sesame, and a whisper of sugar. The flavor of the wrap lives in this bowl. Set the grill plate on the burner, a sloped cast iron disc, black and heavy, with a moat at the lower edge for the rendered fat to gather. Turn the flame high. Let the iron heat for 3 full minutes. Hold a hand just above. Feel the rising warmth, dry and steady. When a drop of water hisses and skates across the surface, the plate is ready. Lay the first slices down. Place them with care, not crowding. The iron answers at once, a hush, then a hiss, then a long, steady song of fat meeting heat. Do not move them. Do not turn them. Let the underside seal. Let the surface darken to gold, then to amber, then to a deep mahogany at the edges, lacquered and crisp. While the belly sears, slide a few garlic coins onto the plate, off to the side. They will turn golden in the rendered fat, growing sweet and nutty. Lay a stalk of kimchi alongside. Last week's kimchi, sour and bright. It will sizzle. It will curl. The acid will cut the richness. The plate is becoming a small landscape now, generous and full. After 3 minutes, turn the belly with long metal chopsticks. The underside is crisped. The fat has rendered, glistening into the moat below. 3 more minutes on the second side. The flesh tightens. The edges grow lacquered. The kitchen fills with the smell of meat caramelizing in its own slow fat. Patient, ancient, deeply familiar. When the belly is bronze on both sides, and only then, pick up the kitchen shears. In Korea, scissors live at the table. Snip each strip crosswise into bite-sized pieces 2 inches wide. The shears make a soft, dry click. The fat continues to crackle. The pieces fall onto the grill and continue to crisp at their cut edges, the surfaces now multiplied. Lift a piece, hot from the iron, and dip it for a heartbeat into the salted sesame oil. The oil sheens it, the salt sharpens it, the sesame deepens it. This is the unadorned bite. Pork belly, sesame oil, salt. Eat it alone, slowly, with eyes half closed. This is the dish at its simplest. This is the dish at its truest. Now build the wrap. A leaf of lettuce flat in the palm, a leaf of perilla laid on top, a glistening piece of belly, a coin of raw garlic, a sliver of green chili, a small smear of samjang. Fold the leaves up, gather the edges, and bring the parcel to the mouth in a single soft motion. Close the eyes. Chew slowly. This is ssam. Samgyeopsal. 3 layers of flesh. A peasant dish made sacred by friendship, by smoke, by the small ceremony of the table. Eat it slow. Eat it loud. Eat it with people you love, and with strangers who will not be strangers by the end. The belly renders, the leaves cool, the night softens. The full recipe is at recipyapp.com. Sleep softly. Until next time.